filing an income tax return is made simple by following these steps. First, gather all necessary documents including W-2 forms, 1099 forms, receipts for deductions and credits, and any other relevant paperwork and organize them into categories. Next, choose your filing method, either electronically e-filing or on paper, and select the appropriate form based on your income, deductions, and filing status. Follow the form's instructions carefully, ensuring accurate and thorough completion. Claim eligible deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest, student loan interest, charitable contributions, and childcare expenses to maximize your tax benefits. You review all entries for accuracy and completeness before submission, utilizing tax software or consulting a tax professional if needed. For electronic filing, choose a reputable tax software or IRS-free file partner for secure. If filing on paper, ensure you use the correct mailing address and consider sending the return via certified mail for tracking and confirmation of receipt.